Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CRD News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM to open Islamabad Security Dialogue on 17th March. COAS to attend as guest of honor. The National Security Division will host a first ever Islamabad Security Dialogue on 17th March. Ru'yat-e-Hilal Committee meets today for Shaban moon sighting. The Central Ru'yat-e-Hilal Committee will meet today in connection with the sighting of the moon of Shaban. British Airways calls for vaccinated people to travel without restriction. British Airways' new boss said vaccinated people should be allowed to travel without restriction and non-vaccinated people with negative COVID-19 test, as he set out his ideas for a travel restart a month before the UK government finalizes its plans. Italy aims to vaccinate at least 80% of population by the end of September. Italy said it aimed to vaccinate at least 80% of its population by the end of September, following criticism about the slow pace of the rollout of coronavirus vaccination campaign in one of worst hit nations in Europe. Police arrest 2 robbers, recover looted big money. The City District Police, in a major success, recovered large amount of cash plundered from a trader in Lyari. COVID-19 third wave. No commercial activities in Lahore after 10 p.m. A ban has been slapped over all commercial activities in Lahore after 10 p.m. in a wake of the third wave of coronavirus. COVID-19 cases surge as Pakistan sees 2,664 new infections in 24 hours. As many as 2,664 new cases of the novel coronavirus surfaced across the country over the past 24 hours. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.